morning, good morning. It's another day, y'all. We got us a nice little thing we're gonna do today. On my day off. On my day off. I got the lovely Miss Sutton over here. She's working, so I'm not gonna bother her too much. But I'm finna go do a nice little gesture. Put on my husband manly duties. I'm finna go wash the car. So, let's go wash the car, y'all. Help me out. All right, y'all. So we got us a nice little washing kit. 2 microfiber towels. Oh yeah. 2 towels. Yeah, 2 towels. And then my wife, cause she just had to do it. Sometimes we extra when we want something done. So we got an Armor washing kit. All right, so we got 8 items in here total. Glass wipes, washer, wax, tire foam, wheel and tire. Ooh, detailer. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open this bad boy up. See what's in here. Nice little tire foam. Wash and wax. Wheel and tire cleaner. Got to detail that in glass wipes. If y'all live in North Carolina, y'all know. He came with his own little microfiber towel. I guess. And also, use this bucket to wash with. Hey, baby, you got anything to say to the family? Hey, Walmart. Get you a 60-pack eggs. We go through eggs like crazy. That helps us with our protein every morning. 1 or 2 boiled eggs.
But then, ladies, you want to be a little extra. Get an egg container.
Egg container.
Because it's just cute. I mean,
Yep. So, I'm gonna get out of here. And I got 2 cars to wash. I'm washing my wife's car and I'm washing my truck. I'm gonna do before and after. Let's go have some fun, y'all. All right, y'all, we here. And we are very blessed and lucky to have a car wash place or car wash station in our apartment. And this is our little view of what it look like out here. My wife's car, got the vacuum. Each corner has a water hose. So, this is what the car looked like before. We'll keep rinsing it off because of that pollen. You're in North Carolina, you know.
Sunsets painting gold across the sky. Windows down, yeah, we're flying high. Laughing loud, no plans, no maps to see. Just you and me in the open street. Radio's playing our favorite songs. Turn it up, we're where we belong. So come on, ride with me, let's chase the night. Kick the dust up, everything feels right. Friends around under neon sky, so free. No better place than where you're with me. Tailgate talking, stars beginning to shine. Fireflies dancing in rhythm with time. Every mile's a memory we're making true. Got a whole world waiting, me and you. Radio's playing our favorite
Alright, we done with the truck and the car on the outside exterior. Now it's time to get on that interior. Wish me luck. Yes, ma'am. It's all good. Get the lights next. Both of these headlights. We looking clean. White and white, baby. The only bad thing about having a community car wash place at your apartments or where you live, you gotta share it. So you can't hog it the whole time. So right now, cars is washed, a little bit of the interior. I did a little bit of it, detailing. But I still got a little bit more to do. So while other people using it, we got a little line out here. So while other people using it, gonna have to take a little lunch break. All right, y'all. It's been a long wait. And since I can't do nothing with the cars and the community, it is what it is. So the next task for today is put this daggone TV on this wall. I've been holding it off long enough. We've been here since January. I just been lazy. Plus, I got all the tools, and now I finally got the battery to go in the stud finder. I ain't got no excuses. So baby said she want the TV up. I gotta put the TV up. So here we go. The example of what not to do. When you're trying to find the holes, the studs in the wall, please don't do this. Please don't do this. But see, X marked the spot. Boom, found it. So let's get to work. Stud finder. Best thing to ever do. It's exactly 16 inches apart. That's the max width that this can go, from this hole to that hole. Measured at 16 inches. So now, gotta measure it out, line it up perfectly. And now we drill holes. That's a stud. Stud.
So he's not a good fast.
Hey
Hey y'all, so it's your favorite girl, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to come in here because at this point, my husband has taken over the YouTube channel, and I love that for him because guess what? If y'all don't know, I'll be on TikTok, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all do not follow me, what are you doing? Okay, so follow me at Icy Like Aspen, rude, but I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that we are cooking fish tonight, and I'm about to put some fish out. So y'all will see that later. But back to my lovely husband.
Always good to have a level. Always.
Just gonna stay.
Always. It's up, baby. We did it. It only took us about 15, 20 minutes. It's up. I did my hang test. You seen that my feet just didn't come up the ground, but I was pulling. But we got it up. We done lost the remotes. All that moving, all these boxes, we done lost the remotes. So it is what it is. We gotta use our phone. But we gonna see what's going on. Plug it in, turn it on. Boom, we got action. Oh yeah. Nice height. We gotta get us an entertainment system. We still unboxing. We lazy sometimes. But we got it done. We got it up. Another task done by Mr. Sutton himself. Peace.
Yeah. Finally.
It's whiting fish. We love some whiting. We love croakum. Croakum are one of my favorites. The fry. Alright, so got my eggs. Finna mix that up. Mustard. And I got my fish. Cooking some rice over here, and then we got our oil heating up. Yeah. Got my mustard ready. Alright. I got my flour, got my egg wash, got my mustard wash, my mustard base. So, first one we're gonna try is the egg wash. Let me see, let me get a little small piece real quick. Get on up in there. It's all in there. Yeah. Put in that flour. What my boy in South Carolina be saying?
They're gonna batter that thing up. Fish beautifully seasoned, beautifully colored. Look at that right there.
That's good. Flip it over. Same thing. Make sure it's on there good. That's perfect. Take it. Let's see if the oil ready. Oh, it's ready, baby. It's ready. Here we go. Doing too much bubbling, it's too hot. Let me get another piece in there. And wash again. Egg wash again. There we go. Put some flour on it. Other piece. Ooh-wee. After those two get done, we'll do our mustard base. And after that, then you're gonna see me and my wife, we gonna try to see the difference of the taste and see which one tastes better. So now, while those cooking, let's drop it in this mustard. Yeah, dose it in that mustard. Make sure the mustard all over it. Like that. That flour on it. It's alright. Get a little. That looks good. Almost done. Almost ready. Feel like our fish fried a little hard, so we're gonna leave it in there a little bit longer. Fish is done. Remember this, the egg wash. Put it right over here to the side. Ooh, good coat. Ooh-wee. All right. Now that those two are done, now it's time for our mustard. All right. Next piece right here. All right. We'll see you in a few. Again, we like it fried hard. I'm recording. All right. Go. Broke off. Alright, y'all. So we got two different pieces. This the mustard egg wash. Same for my wife. She got the same thing. No, we ain't sharing it. This is mustard, that's egg wash. So we're gonna try the mustard first. Most time I always cook it in mustard. First time trying the egg wash. No, do it without the hot sauce first. You gotta try it without the hot sauce. It's mustard. Hot. Always hit the spot. Always. Now, I mean, you can do it with hot sauce this time. Now, no, the other one. Get the hot sauce and do it on the mustard. Tried it without mustard. Now you gotta try it with mustard. I mean, with hot sauce. Just the mustard with hot sauce. Perfect combo. Perfect. You like it with or without? Alright.
I always like hot sauce, so yeah. It's a little.
Get that little flat. It's still hot. I just got out the grease. Alright. Now we're gonna try the egg wash. Alright, this without hot sauce. But I don't know.
Winner, chicken dinner.
I don't know. Alright. That was good without hot sauce. But I love hot sauce. I gotta have hot sauce with everything. Let's see what we talk about. Even better. Oh, that's better. This and a piece of bread. Game over.
I'm gonna go ahead and get some rice because this is gonna fill me up. So be right back.
While she doing that, y'all, I think the rest of this might get egg wash. Forget that mustard. We might be doing egg wash from now on. But hey, y'all tell me what y'all like.
Alright, y'all, I got my rice. I got the fish. I'm gonna eat while he cooks the rest of the fish because, you know, I'm on a diet.
Put some rice on now.
Now he took my rice. I'm on a diet, so I'm trying to, you know, eat less portions.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's a wrap for mustard. Mustard to be second choice.
Get your man that can cook.
Nested.
Since the egg wash was our winner for the night, we got some asparagus. We love some asparagus over here. We're gonna deep fry some asparagus. Big bag.
I ain't no big bag.
Big bag, baby.
My bag getting smaller.
We trying to lose some weight, but tonight we deserve a little cheat. Egg wash. All right, y'all. Looking good so far. It good, ain't it? No. All right, these bad boys done. Ooh. All right, while I'm cooking the rest of this fish, the asparagus has cooled off. And we're gonna try it.
Yo, I'm so full. And also, I'm the one who came up with this idea because it made me think about crispy green beans that Mr. Kearney used to make. But yeah.
It tastes like a healthier fried okra. Oh yeah, y'all need to try this. Oh yeah. Whew. I'm full, y'all. Wifey full. And we is done. Got still some more fish and rice left over. That's for lunch tomorrow. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Egg wash took the dub today. Wife is over there laid up talking on the phone with friends and family. Me signing off. Peace.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you go.